If you have provided Gradelink with basic student data, we may have already imported this into your account. If not, or for assistance with this service, contact Gradelink Customer Support. After the initial import, or if you would like to enter data from scratch, you can do this from the Students tab. Let's click Add New to begin entering a new student into Gradelink. The minimum information I need is the student's first name, last name, and grade level. Note, this class selector is for those schools which split their grade levels to accommodate larger numbers, such as 5A and 5B. Students will normally have a status of active until they leave your school or graduate. However, we have additional status levels which may be helpful to you, such as re-enrollment or new enrollment. If a student leaves the school during the year, it's best to set their status to inactive. Students should only be deleted if they were accidentally added to the system or left after 1 day. In most cases, though, it's best to mark students who leave as inactive. We'll leave this student as active. Gradelink will generate an ID and a username, which are numbers, and a randomized password for parents. The ID is the student's unique identifier in Gradelink. The username is utilized by parents, along with the password, for logging in. If you have an existing ID numbering system and would like to override Gradelink's default ID number, you may do so. However, this must be numerical, that is, no letters, and be unique for each student, whether active or inactive. Other information like demographics and contact info can be entered now or at any other time. But I'm all set with this new student, so I'll simply click Save down here. Now the student has been added in, along with my other students, ready for populating into classes. When you're ready to give parents the login information for their child, you can click this Login Info button up top, and Gradelink will provide an information page that tells parents what Gradelink is, how to sign in, and what their initial login and password info is. So you can print this out and distribute it to the parent to grant access. Once the parent gets home and signs in to their child's account, they will be able to change the password to something familiar to them. You can always view password information here. To generate this page for all students at once, we'll click on the Reports tab at the top and then click Login Info. This will produce this report for each student in the school, or you can limit this to a certain grade level. If a parent is having trouble signing in and they misenter the password 5 times in a row, Gradelink will automatically lock the student's account as a security measure. The parent will be directed to contact your school office for assistance. If this happens, after verifying the parent, you can unlock the student's account and reset their password if necessary.